Hi. Now, this video clipping is basically we are talking about a standalone dishwasher. It's a general practice nowadays that the dishwashers, the washing machines are fitted inside the kitchen. It's more convenient for the lady of the house. And for this, obviously, you need water connections, you need drainage connections. So, taking these decisions right from the beginning of the renovation project or any kitchen design project is extremely important. At the same time, if you're not aware how these appliances are fitted, you will not be able to cater to those requirements during your planning process or even when you're quoting to the client or when you're having discussions on the site. So knowing how the fixing of appliances takes place, and these are very common appliances. So I'll be talking about 5 to 6 different appliances fixing that you must know as a designer, because you're now into the execution role. So go through all the videos, don't miss out anything. They are very short clips. You will understand definitely what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's look at the one which has a standalone dishwasher fitted below a kitchen ota next to the sink. Let's see that. This short video clipping, we'll see what connections you will require if you want to do a dishwasher below your ota or next to the sink area. So we'll just have a quick look at what all is needed, what all you need to take care during the planning and the execution process. So here we're planning to install a wash dishwasher. So there are some instructions on the box on the kind of electrical connections, the kind of plumbing lines that would be needed. So it's good to just go through the instructions and see whether everything is available on site or some things need to be done. So choosing the appliance has to be done at the beginning of the project, because there are a lot of other dependencies on the plumber, on the electrician, before the appliance actually fits in. So all that needs to be studied. So you need to know, as an interior designer, what plumbing lines you're going to require. In this case, this is the kind of plumbing line that is going to be used and connected to our inlets and outlets. So of course, when you have chosen the dishwasher, you need to tell the plumber and ask him to study whatever needs to be installed as per the manual also, and as per whatever installation kit has been given with the device. So these are the ways the connections can be done. If it's next to the sink, the water line has already come in through that. So it is easy to give two connections in the same area, and you can just drill a hole through the vertical that is there next to the sink. So the dishwasher and sink preferably being on in the same line help. Now you have the certain necessary elements that are required for the installation. You have the drainage pipe, you have some hardware kit or some clamps and stuff that come with it. Also, you need a power point connection for this. So you will have to have your electrician coming in and checking out the kind of power point line that is needed for the dishwasher. So that has to be done before you install the dishwasher piece. Now this is the back side of the dishwasher. On the bottom side, on the back bottom side, first you need to place your dishwasher on a towel so that there are no scratches on the floor. Then you have the drain line that is coming out from here. You have the power supply, you have the water line that is connected here, and here will be your power supply connections. So this is the water supply line that we are connecting first. You need to have a gasket. That black thing that you see is for the gasket so that no leaks happen. So if there's no gasket with this line, you need to buy a separate one. You just have to screw. Now we are going to fix the drain clamps. So this is the one that we are going to install. This is the one that is coming from the dishwasher. There is also a black clamp which you need to tighten out once you have installed this. So you just push it through, and then with a clamper, you need to push that clamp and make it tight so that the connection does not come loose because of the force of the water that is draining out. So you need to tighten the two together properly. These power connections will be done by the electrician. The wires are already in the live, the neutral, and the earth. So the proper connections will be done by your electrician. You just need to know the location so that you can keep the cutouts in the respective panels that are coming. Whatever your trolley panels are, you need to keep all those connections. All the installations have been done. So now all these installations need to be properly pushed in from the backside, and they need to be coming out through a hole that is there on the side panel of the sink, so that once the dishwasher is in, all this can be seen from inside this cabinet. Before I continue, please subscribe to my channel so I can come up with many such videos for you. Now, once you have pushed it back in place and adjusted it as per the location and all the pipes are out from here underneath the cabinet, then you need to install these clamps in place, which are going to hold the stop it from moving and fix the whole thing into place. So these are the clamps that are going to come with your dishwasher. So beneath the OTA, you need to clamp it inside. Then you need to give these water connections on the bottom of the sink from wherever the inlet of the water pipe is coming in. This is the dishwasher water inlet. Then your drain line. You can turn on the valve for the water supply. See that there are no leakages. Everything has been properly secured. This is the bottom of the water supply. And you can check whether your dishwasher is running after plugging it into the electrical switchboard. Okay, I hope you have understood the kind of water connections and drainage connections you need to design when you're doing a dishwasher. This dishwasher could be located against the wall if it's located in the island part of the kitchen. If you have an island part of the kitchen, then you have to, along with the sink, you will have to think of the drainage and water for this also. So before I continue, please subscribe to my channel so I can come up with many such videos for you.